Meaning of downlight.
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 Downlight. Downlight refers to a type of lighting fixture that is designed to direct light downwards. These fixtures are typically recessed into the ceiling and are angled in such a way that the light is focused downward, creating a spotlight effect. The result is a focused, directional light source that is ideal for highlighting specific elements or areas within a room. Downlights are commonly used in residential and commercial settings, and they come in a variety of sizes, styles, and colors to fit different design preferences and lighting needs.